Today we're in Liberec, a beautiful city in the north of the Czech Republic. It's known for its peaceful atmosphere, green surroundings, and charming architecture. Liberec is not a huge city, but it has a long and interesting history that goes back to the 14th century. Over time, it became an important center for the textile industry, which helped it grow and develop. As you can see, the city feels very calm and the streets are clean, the buildings are well maintained, and there's a nice balance between historical and modern architecture. Liberec is surrounded by nature, and that really defines its character. It's one of those places where you don't feel rushed. One of the things that stands out here is the architecture. Many buildings have that classic Central European style, elegant, detailed, and colorful. Even simple houses look neat and carefully taken care of. It gives the whole city a very pleasant and organized feeling. There's actually an interesting story connected to this area. The Harcov Dam, which we tried to visit today, was originally built in the early 20th century, around 1902. Back then, Liberec was growing quickly, and the dam was created to protect the city from floods coming down from the mountains. But locals say that this place has always had a bit of a mysterious atmosphere. Surrounded by forest and hills, it feels slightly hidden from the rest of the city. Some older stories even mention that these woods were once believed to be restless, a place where strange sounds could be heard at night. Of course, today it's just a peaceful park and a reservoir, but you can still feel that quiet, slightly mysterious vibe when walking here. And maybe that's part of what makes this place special. It's not just nature, but also history and a bit of local legend mixed together. We originally planned to visit the Harcov Dam, Harcov. It's usually a nice spot to relax and enjoy the view of the water. But as you can see in the video, right now the area is under construction. Everything is closed, and there's ongoing renovation work. So unfortunately, we couldn't explore it fully this time. Still, it's interesting to see how the place is being, and maybe next time it will look even better. After that, we decided not to let it ruin the mood, and continued our walk into Lesopark Harcov. Places like this, forests around Liberec, were once important not just for rest, but also for survival. Wood, water, and natural protection shaped how the city developed. So when you walk here today, it's not just a park, it's part of the city's history, quietly preserved in nature. And honestly, this part was really worth it. The park is very green, quiet, and peaceful. You can hear birds, feel fresh air, and just slowed down a bit. Everything looks natural but still well maintained. It's the kind of place where locals probably come to relax, walk, or just spend time away from the city noise. Later, we continued walking uphill into a residential area, and this was another highlight. The houses here are quite large, beautiful, and very well cared for. What really stands out is how clean and tidy everything is. No clutter, no chaos, just calm, order. It gives a sense of comfort and stability. As we continue walking, we come across this metal pedestrian bridge, Kovový most. It looks quite modern at first glance, but structures like this are actually very typical for Central Europe. Many of these metal bridges were built in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, during a time when industrial engineering was rapidly developing. They were designed to be strong, practical, and durable, built to last for decades, even more than a century. And the interesting part is that many of them are still in use today, just like this one. There's something special about walking across a bridge like this. The sound of your steps on the metal, the symmetry of the structure, and the way it stretches into the distance. It almost feels like you're moving through a different space, separate from the rest of the city. And surrounded by trees like this, it becomes even more atmospheric. A simple bridge, but somehow it adds character to the whole walk. One thing you quickly notice in Liberec is these beautiful private houses that almost look like small castles. Many of them were built in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, during a time when Liberec was one of the richest industrial cities in the region. Back then, it was often called the Manchester of Bohemia because of its strong textile industry. Wealthy factory owners and businessmen started building their homes here, especially on the hills around the city. And they didn't just build simple houses. They wanted to show their success and status. That's why you see this mix of styles: neo-Gothic towers, decorative facades, steep roofs, almost like miniature palaces. Each house was designed to stand out and feel unique. There's also a small local belief that these homes were built slightly away from the center, not just for the views, but for peace and privacy. almost like a quiet escape from the busy industrial city below. And today, walking through these streets, it still feels a bit like stepping into a different era. Calm, elegant, and very well preserved. The weather today was a bit cloudy, but from time to time the sun came out, which made everything look even better. That mix actually worked perfectly for a walk like this. Not too hot, just comfortable. Overall, Liberec feels like a very livable and peaceful place. Green, clean, and quietly beautiful. Even though we couldn't visit everything we planned, the walk turned out great. Sometimes it's not about the destination, but just about walking, exploring, and enjoying the atmosphere. Thanks for walking with me. Honestly, it doesn't feel like a typical city, more like a quiet residential area for people who really value comfort. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.